One element of interactive functionality which Trellis built into the Moore Giles theme is the 360-degree product viewer. The 360-degree product viewer, powered by Sienn, is variant-specific, meaning as customers select different variants and configurations within the product detail page buy box, the 360-degree viewer is updated to match. Here, you can see as we select different materials, the 360-degree viewer is updated to reflect those material selections. The 360-degree viewer also updates when different configurations are selected. As you can see here, the 360-degree viewer works seamlessly as the user makes different selections so that they can preview the product that they are purchasing. Trellis achieved this functionality using BigCommerce metafields. At the product level, a Sienn viewer markup metafield allows us to define the base display functionality of the Sienn viewer. At the variant level, a Sienn features metafield defines the upholstery and product configuration which is displayed when each variant is selected. Even without the use of an app, Trellis was able to integrate variant-specific 360-degree viewer functionality using just the JavaScript provided by Sienn and BigCommerce's native metafield functionality.